Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug both modem and router, then wait a full 60 seconds so residual charge clears and devices fully reset. Once done, power the modem first and watch its status lights. This ensures your internet feed is healthy before the router talks. Make sure to plug the router back in after modem stabilizes and connect a wired laptop or phone hotspot to check basic connectivity. This isolates the router versus modem problem immediately. Once you confirm modem connectivity, log into the router admin page using its IP and your admin password to inspect settings. You should check firmware and apply updates because stability and security issues often stem from old code. Install and reboot when prompted. Next, change the Wi-Fi channel to a less crowded one like 1, 6, or 11 and lower transmit power if neighbors interfere. These adjustments improve signal quality and reduce packet loss, so test speed and latency afterward. Finish by running speed tests over both wired and wireless links and compare them to your ISP plan so you know whether performance matches expectations. Then relocate the router to a central, elevated spot away from metal objects and thick walls to maximize coverage. If problems persist, do a factory reset and carefully reconfigure SSID, password, and WPA2/3 security. But remember, only reset as a last resort. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.